morning students. Today I am analyzing simple inorganic salt, that is we can call it as systematic qualitative analysis of simple inorganic salt. See, analysis of salt is carried out under four main headings. First one is preliminary test, second one is detection of acid radical, third one is detection of basic radical, and last one is fourth main, see, that is we can call it as report. Okay student, now I am going to analyze a simple inorganic salt which is unknown. Now, see, what is that will be first main heading? Preliminary test. In that preliminary test, we should mention the physical state of the salt, second one is color, and third one is solubility. Now in the preliminary test, first we will mention that will be physical state of the solid, second one is color, and third one is solubility. Okay. See, if we touch this one, finely divided form, see, this physical state of this solid is amorphous. See, color, the color of salt is white. For solubility, take a small amount of salt in a test tube and add water. See, shake well. See, the given salt is not soluble in water because turbidity will be remains as it is. So now you can heat the salt and also you can check whether it is soluble in hot water or not. See, after heating also the salt is not soluble in water. Now you can check the solubility with other reagent. Now I am going to check the solubility with dilute HCl. So you take a small amount of salt in a test tube and add dilute HCl. Yeah. So students, now the given salt is soluble in dilute HCl in cold condition. So step 2, that is detection of acid radical. Analysis of first group acid radical. Take a small amount of salt, add dilute H2SO4, and observe. See that? See, there is a brisk effervescence which produces colorless gas, Then the colorless gas is passed through a lime water. After adding dilute sulfuric acid, passed into a lime water taken in another test tube. Lime water turns milky. This indicates that first group acid radical carbonate ion may be present. Now confirmatory test for carbonate ion. Take a small amount of compound in a test tube, add water, boil and pass the vapors through a lime water. Vapors are passed into a lime water taken in another test tube. Then lime water does not turn milky, confirms that carbonate ion is confirmed. Okay student, we got that acid radical, that is in the first group, carbonate ion is confirmed. Then we should go for detection of basic radical. See, first one is analysis of zero group cation ammonium ion. See, to check the ammonium ion, small amount of compound is taken in a test tube and to this NaOH is added and heated. NaOH is added and heated. There is no pungent smell of ammonia. Zero group cation ammonium ion is absent. What will be first group onwards. Then before going to that will be first group analysis, we should prepare original solution. See, now we already know that in the solubility the given salt is soluble in dilute HCl. Hence, now we have to prepare the original solution with the dilute HCl. Taking small amount of compound in a test tube, and see, original solution will be prepared carefully. First you can add dilute HCl little bit excess, then later onwards you should add a dilute HCl drop wise, still effervescence ceases. Then see, first I will add little bit excess, should add drop wise drop dilute HCl till the effervescence ceases. Solution is used from first group onwards up to sixth group. See, before going to that will be first group analysis, we should know that, see, that first group and second group basic radicals are not given because the lead is a poisonous compound is formed. Due to that reason, see, we can go directly into the third group, but we should show that, see, first group, second group as basic radicals are absent. Original solution into another test tube. Now I am going to check that will be first group basic radical. See, original solution plus dilute HCl. This is the group reagent for first group basic radical. See that. See, original solution plus dilute HCl. See, no precipitate is formed. This indicates that first group basic radicals are absent. See, don't throw this solution. See, why? Because already we took the original solution and dilute HCl. Then to this, if you are adding H2S gas, then that will be group analysis for second group basic radical. Now, see, already in the test tube, original solution is a dilute HCl. To that I am adding H2S. No precipitate is formed. This indicates that second group basic radicals are also absent. Then analysis of third group basic radical. Analysis of third group basic radical. See, once again take a small amount of original solution into another test tube. 3 to 4 drops you can take. Now to this, ammonium chloride is added, ammonium chloride solid, then NH4OH excess, NH4OH excess. There is no gelatinous white PPT, no gelatinous white PPT. This indicates that third group basic radicals are absent. For this group of fourth group analysis, the group reagent is original solution NH4Cl, NH4OH plus H3S. See, already in this we took original solution NH4Cl, NH4OH. To this I am going to add H2S gas. That is for fourth group analysis. Now, there is no PPT. This indicates that fourth group basic radicals are absent. Now I am going to fifth group basic radical analysis. Once again take a small amount of original solution, that means 3 to 4 drops to in another test tube. NH4Cl solid, excess of NH4OH, excess of NH4, ammonium carbonate or sodium carbonate. See, now I am going to add here ammonium carbonate for fifth group analysis. No precipitate is formed. This indicates that fifth group basic radicals absent. Next, see, for sixth group analysis, take original solution, add NH4Cl solid, NH4Cl solid, excess of NH4OH, excess of NH4OH, sodium hydrogen orthophosphate or disodium hydrogen orthophosphate is added. Now see that already white precipitate is formed. Now to this, see you have to take a glass rod and see that will be scratched inner sides of the test tube. See crystalline white precipitate is formed. Cis group basic radical Mg2 plus ion is confirmed. Therefore, the given inorganic salt contains first group acid radical carbonate CO3 2 minus ion and cis group basic radical Mg2 plus ion. Then the given compound is magnesium carbonate and its formula is MgCO.